Welcome student. In previous lecture we have covered the structure packing and structure padding, most valuable concept in structure. In this lecture I am going to discuss a new topic, that is union. And it is very related to structure but have some different with the structure. So we will see in this lecture what are the difference between the structure and union and why we use the union in most of the cases. So before that, come to the definition. Union is a user defined data type. Union is also user defined data type, but unlike structure, union member share same memory location. Okay, let me write so that you can get the clear idea. Union is a user defined data type. So first point, union is a user defined data type, but unlike structure, union members share same memory location. Same memory location. Please make a note on this point. Same union members share same memory location. And first point is union is a user defined data type. User defined data type. So we have already covered the structure. So structure is a user defined data type. Here I am discussing about the union, that is also union, also user defined data type. But only difference is union member, important difference is share the same memory location. Same memory location. So I will come into the details what does it mean actually with an example so that you can get the clear idea. But please keep that in mind, they don't have a different memory location. They all share the same memory location. All the member of a union share the same memory location, they don't have a different memory location. That is the difference between the union and structure. That is the most important difference between the union and structure. So for example, I am taking the same example so that you can understand it well compared to structure. For example, in this example, the name of the structure is ABC and it consists two member. One of the member is called integer and another member integer A, and another member is, this is the first member and second one is character B, right. So this structure ABC consists of two member, one is integer, another is character. If I consider what is the size of struct ABC, so integer it will take 4 byte and char it will take 5 byte. So total size of this structure is 5 byte, 1 byte plus 4 byte, that is 5 byte, right. Now in this example, since I am discussing about the union, so first the concept is union members share the same memory location. So I am just accessing or checking the size, instead of size I am just checking what is the address of this variable. So what is the address of variable? So if I consider this example, we will see the address. Let's the example in my system, I got the address of A by using programming. I got the address of A, for example 4225552 of address of A, and address of B is 4 2 5 5 5 6. So address of A is 422 3552 and address of B is 42255, sorry, 4223556 for example. Okay. So here I want to mean that the address of A and address of B in structure is different. It means that the individual structure member taking the different memory location. It is a contiguous memory location. We have seen in case of structure padding, that is a contiguous memory location, but here the different address is different, right. Now, if I consider a union with the same example, because we can define the union using the same example, only difference is the keyword. Here if I want to declare a union, the keyword should be union instead of structure, and rest of the procedure is same. So union ABC, and within this ABC I am taking the same example, int A consists of two member, char B, then semicolon. So here only different is in keyword. In case of structure, I have used struct keyword, but in case of union I have used union keyword, and all the rest procedure is same. How do I declare a structure? That is same as also applicable for union also. So only change is we have to use, instead of structure we have to use union keyword. But if I want to access or if I check the address of A, I will get the address of A is equal to 422 5552 and address of B is 422 5552. This is the address is same. Here the address is different. From this point we can understood that in case of union they share the same memory location. So they share the same memory location. So in this example, just I want to make a difference between the structure and union is that in case of structure they share the same memory location, sorry, in case of union they share the same memory location, but in case of structure their individual structure member get different memory location. It is a contiguous memory location, but the address is different. So but if I if I see in case of memory allocation, pictorial representation of memory allocation, so how it is accessed or how we get this address. For example, this is my structure, if I consider this is structure, and this is for my union. Okay. So if I consider pictorial representation, so this is my structure, struct ABC, and this is my union. If I consider struct and if I consider union. So let us consider each of the block is 1 byte memory location. This is the memory location. So I am considering each of the block size is 1 byte. Okay, I am just considering. So in this example, when I declare int A in case of structure, so it take in my system 4 byte. So 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte, 4 byte. So it will take 4 byte for my integer A, and for character B it will take 1 byte. I am considering each of the block in memory is consist of main memory, consist of this is called actually block, block for understanding. So, each of the block consists of 1 byte and it will take 4 byte for integer and 1 byte for character. So, total size is 5, I have already discussed. But in case of union, when you declare the integer, so it occupied 1 byte, 2 byte, 3 byte, 4 byte. So, this first 4 byte for integer int a, and the next one when we declare for second structure member, so that will be also initialized or allocated to this memory location of the first byte. So, this is char b, right. So, from this pictorial representation we can say that union member share the same memory location, but in case of structure their member get different memory location, but contiguous memory location, but different memory location. The address of the structure member is not same, but here the address of the same memory structure member get the same memory address. Okay, it means that I want to explain some fact regarding this union. The fact is, let me explain, or let me take some simple fact. The first fact is, in union member will share the same memory location, right. If I make a change in one of the member, then it will reflect to the other member as well. So, if I change any of the member, that will be reflect to other member as well, but in case of structure it is not possible, right, because individual structure member getting the different memory location, but since the in case of union individual member getting the same memory location. So, if I made any modification to the member, one of the member, that will be reflect to the other member also. So, let me take a simple example so that you can get the clear idea about that. So, you make some let me take the same example, union ABC, right. So, this is the name of the union and it will take how many member? 2 member. So, integer a and char b. Suppose I am taking the union type variable, that is for example var, and if I want to access int main within, if I assign the value of a, how do I assign? Same way in structure we have already seen. So, we can write the name of the variable var dot a equal to, for example, 65. So, I am initialize the value of structure member a, which is integer, that is 65, right. Now, if I print the value of a, what I will get? So, a equal to percentile d integer value, that is why, and if I want to access this member, so var by using dot operator dot a. So, what will be the output? So, output will be 65, right. And if I print what is my another member, that is b equal to it is a character. So, I use percentile c as a format specifier. So, var dot b. So, what will be the output? var b. So, output is capital A. Now, why I am getting here the output is capital B? Look at this. When we have declared a integer, it will take 4 byte, whatever the value has been assigned to this value, 65, right. And this 65, when I want to access this variable, is also initialize the 65, and since the ASCII value of 65 is capital A, so it will print or give the message to the user that output is 60 A, right. Is that clear? Here I am getting the same value 65 also if I want to access the character B, but I have initialized only the value of var dot a equal to 65. So, I have just initialized the individual member, one of the member, and that is reflected to the other member. That is my actual point I want to say, right. So, from this output, so output I will show in example also. So, from this output we can say that if any, if I in case of union, if I make a change in one of the member, it will reflect to the other member also. Now, the next point is how to decide the size of a union, how to decide what is the size of a union. So, let me take a simple example to calculate that. I am taking the same example, but with so many other members. So, I am taking union ABC, right, union ABC, and within that let consider more member. So, first member is int A as it is the previous example, second one is char B, and third one is double C, and fourth member is float D. Then if I want to get the size, we have already know how to find the size of a union also. So, int main, I am writing the full program so that you can get the clarity about this example, and you also able to get the size of individual member as well as size of union also. So, I want to get the size of, for example, D, or size is always integer. So, it will give the size of ABC. So, I will use, you can use simple D also, size of function. With this function I can pass any of the parameter, I can pass any of the parameter, I can pass, I can take any variable, or otherwise I can pass the union ABC. Okay. So, what is the size? Return 0. What is the size? So, in this example, if I consider in case of structure, I will get, instead of union, if I write structure, so what we will get? So, here the size is 1 byte 4 byte for, in my system 4 byte for integer, 1 byte for character, double is 8 byte and float is 4 byte. So, total what is the size should be 4 plus 1 5 plus 8 13 plus 4 means 17. So, 17 byte size if I use structure. So, instead of structure, if I use union, what will be the size? The output of this program will be 8 byte. So, output of this program will be 8 byte. Now, the question is why? Why? So, if I run this program, so I will get 8 byte, and if I use struct ABC, and if I do not use if I use the packing, then I will get the size is 17 byte, right. If I use struct instead of union, I will get 17 byte, and if I use union, I will get 8 byte. Why? Because when we declare 4 member in a structure variable, whatever the member it is, the maximum size of the union is taken according to the size of the largest member of the union. And what is the largest member here? The largest member is consisting of 8 byte. So, here the largest member is double C. So, it consists of 8 byte, that means it occupy 8 byte memory in our computer. So, it will take, if I want to calculate the size of union, I will get the largest member size of the union is the union size. So, if you want to write or pictorial play in this way, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to this point. So, here the size is 8, and when I declare 4, that will be declared here 0 to 3 for integer, then char they are also declared here, and then double C it will take 8 byte, float then it will take also 4 byte. So, total size of the union is 8 byte, right. Why? Because when we calculate the size of the union, the largest member of the union will be, the largest member size of the union will be the size of the union, and here in this example the largest tile is double C and it will occupy 8 byte memory. So, size of the union will be 8, that is why I am getting output 8 byte. But if I use structure, I will get 17 byte, because each of the member, if I do not use padding, each of the member occupied and contiguous memory location, but the memory location are different. First 4 byte will be occupied for integer A, next 1 byte will be occupied for char B, next 8 byte will be occupied for double C, and next 4 byte will be occupied for float D. So, total size is 4 plus 1 5 plus 8 13 plus 4 17. So, that is why I will get the output 17 in case of structure, but in case of union I will get 8 byte.